I am not at work today. I am doing something I wanted to do for a little while now, and that is good morning, everyone. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I've actually taken some time off work and I'm up in a national park here in the Gold Coast, and I'm going to be filming a waterfall with my drone. I got my drone in my bag right here, as you can see, and I'm just heading down this track, and the sweet sound of silence is great. It's good to get out of the city sometimes, and it's good to not have to go to work every day. And I just want to thank all the subscribers. Appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. All the positive comments. So a friend asked me to go and film something so he can leave it as like a wallpaper on his big TV screen in his shop. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit the drone in one place for about 20 minutes, just constant, and I'm going to loop it, and then I'm going to get separate audio, and it should be nice. So I think I can hear the waterfalls down this way. So I won't be able to film all the time. Obviously I've got to take my phone out and put it in the drone controller. But yeah, I'm going to loop it a zillion times, and I'm going to make like a 9-hour long background screensaver 4K waterfall, and record separate audio and then put it on there and pretend like that's the audio, because you know the waterfall, it's pretty constant. So first, there it is over there. And let's look at the let's look at this sign here. Everything's backwards. You can't flip it while you're recording. Why? So I've filmed here before. I thought the video was good. Hasn't even got 100 views. Check it below. Above. Check it above. Alright guys, I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to flip you guys around so you can check it out. One of my favorite spots. It's about half an hour from my house. This looks like a good little launch pad right here. Looks like a great launch pad. Because last time I found it hard landing on some of those rocks. Let's go down and check it out anyway. I think I'm gonna warm it up a bit by starting at this. There's a lot of cascading waterfalls here. So I'm gonna start at the bottom and go up and try and get the best footage I can, slowly up the waterfalls, get a good shot of that. Then I'm going to come back and sit it at one spot. So that's where we've got to get down there. That's where we went last time. It's a pretty good spot. We're going to do that again. We had good rain last night, so should get some good footage right here. Absolutely beautiful, eh? It's like halfway between Brisbane and Gold Coast. 30 minutes from my house. Great day. Nobody here. It's about 8 in the morning. And I'd much rather be out here making videos for us than sanding drywall, which is what you might normally see on my channel. Boring old drywall. And it's funny that unless I have like drywall in my title, nobody even watches my videos. Which is weird, so I might have to make it like a drywall waterfall video. Or like get a bit of drywall and float it down the waterfall or something. Oh, look at this. It's looking good right here. Isn't that nice? Last time I was here, I seen people jumping off the rocks. I had my drone out. See people around. So this is where I found it hard to land last time. Hard to land. Very nice. Let's get this thing started. I'll probably get back to you with the drone footage. Pretty much all set up. Got it all here. Probably going to launch off like this spot right here. And let's get this going. Alright, that's about it. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It was fun. Getting out, smelling the fresh air. This is like one of the first times I've ever used like my Gorilla Joby to film myself too. It's not bad. Just as I was packing up, some people came. Awesome spot. I'll put a link with the location. So the rest of the day, I'm heading to the office. We have some cars that are heading up to the auctions. They will be sold. And gonna get a bit of footage of that. Charge my drone up. I haven't used my drone in like a year, so it's good to dust the cobwebs off the blades. Great spot. Great spot. So yeah, let's see how those wallpapers turn out, or screensavers, whatever you want to call them. It's really awkward when you're filming. Which way? That way or this way? I can't remember. Anyway. Yeah, I think it's this way. Leads to the same way. Now we're going to get a bit of B-roll audio. Climbing down, get a bit closer. Yeah. Pretty good, right? Alright, now I'm a little bit closer to this one. And a bit of a cave in here. Not easy to get to. I'm probably going to give that a miss. Alright, that's about it. That concludes it. Hey, how you doing? Good. So, I hope you had fun spending the morning with me. Great park. The barbecue areas over there. Silence. Nothing but the sounds of birds and the odd whining child. See if we can spot a bit of a kangaroo for you. No kangaroos yet, but if there is, I'll definitely let you know. My name is Max, and today we're in the middle of nowhere, and we're gonna be flushing out a little critter in this right here. Oh, kangaroos! Freaking kangaroos right there. I spotted a little critter. Hey, little critter. All right, there's one up there too. Anyway. All right, so we're here, we're back. We're in the middle of Texas, and we found this little burrow here. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna teach you how to flush a little critter out of this burrow. What you do is you go bang, 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 bang. And then a little critter jumps out. All right, heading back to the car now. My business is done here. So I think I've said goodbye already, but if not, goodbye again. Have a great day. And I will see you next time I hit the record button. Peace. But before I do say goodbye, I gotta take care of some business right here. I'll see you all next time.